Are you struggling to manage your pocket money? You're not alone. Many students find it challenging to budget and save money. Today, we'll explore some smart strategies to help you manage your pocket money effectively. Let's start with understanding pocket money. Pocket money is the cash you receive from parents or earn yourself. It's essential to handle it wisely. Managing pocket money helps you learn discipline and responsibility. First, track your income. Write down how much pocket money you receive. This gives you a clear picture of your finances. Knowing your total helps in planning your expenses. Next, create a budget plan. List your necessary expenses, like snacks, transportation, or school supplies. Allocate specific amounts for these. This way, you'll know exactly where your money goes. After budgeting, prioritize your spending. Identify what's most important. Consider foregoing non-essential items for what you truly need. This helps you avoid wasting money. It's also crucial to set saving goals. Decide what you want to save for, like a video game or a special outing. Setting a goal makes saving feel more rewarding and achievable. Now, consider using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your pocket money for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This simple formula makes budgeting easier and ensures you'll have funds for fun too. Remember to keep track of your spending regularly. Review your budget weekly. This helps you see if you're sticking to your plan and making adjustments as necessary. It's a great habit to develop early. Let's look at an example. Imagine you receive $20 a week. You budget $10 for snacks, $5 for transportation, and save $5. After a month, you'll have saved $20. That's enough for a movie or a fun outing with friends. In summary, managing pocket money smartly is all about tracking income, budgeting effectively, and prioritizing spending. Setting savings goals can motivate you to manage better. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you'll find it easier to balance your needs and wants. Now it's your turn to take action. Start tracking how you spend your pocket money today. Create a budget plan that works for you. Don't wait to become a smart money manager. Let's make those financial goals a reality. Managing pocket money effectively can truly empower students, providing them not only with financial literacy but also with essential life skills. By observing and adjusting your spending habits, you sharpen decision-making abilities, which serve you well beyond your school years. As you practice these strategies, you'll grow more confident in your ability to handle your finances responsibly and independently. Remember, each small step you take now contributes to building a brighter financial future. So, embrace this challenge with enthusiasm and determination as you embark on your journey to mastering your money management skills. Now that you have the tools for managing your pocket money, think about setting reminders for your budget reviews. Consistency is key in developing strong financial habits, and having a dedicated time each week can significantly boost your commitment to stay on track. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as they reflect your growing financial acumen. Sharing your goals and successes with friends or family can also create a supportive environment that encourages everyone's financial progress. Remember, every positive change, no matter how minor, gets you closer to becoming a savvy spender. Track your progress as you navigate this learning experience. Observe how your spending aligns with your budget and savings goals, and be ready to make necessary adjustments. This continuous evaluation fosters a sense of ownership and accountability regarding your finances. Additionally, consider rewarding yourself for staying on track, perhaps treating yourself to a small item after reaching a savings milestone. This can reinforce good habits and motivate you to stick with your financial plan. Cultivating these skills early on sets a solid foundation for lifelong financial success, ensuring that you're well prepared to face more significant financial challenges as you grow. Ultimately, it's about creating a sustainable and enjoyable approach to your money, and with patience and persistence, you'll achieve your financial aspirations. Take a moment to envision your financial future. Picture yourself not just managing your pocket money, but thriving as a financially savvy individual. Understanding the value of money and budgeting now will help you make better financial decisions later in life. You'll be equipped with the knowledge to invest, save, and spend wisely, enabling you to reach your personal goals. This journey toward effective money management is ongoing. However, with every step you take, you'll uncover the confidence and skill set necessary to navigate the complexities of financial matters, laying the groundwork for a stable and rewarding future. Now, think about how your financial habits will influence your future. By mastering the art of managing your pocket money today, you're laying a solid foundation for tomorrow. This journey equips you with skills that will serve you throughout your life, guiding you in making wise investment decisions, nurturing savings, and enjoying your earnings responsibly. Each lesson learned enhances your financial literacy, empowering you to tackle more complex financial landscapes with confidence and ease. Remember, this is just the beginning of your exciting financial adventure. As you continue on this financial journey, recognize that every effort counts towards ensuring your financial well-being. Embrace the learning moments and take pride in your progress, as they lay the groundwork for a lifetime of sound money management skills. Here's to your success.